Aloe vera plants are popular for their healing gel, which has been used for centuries in various cultures for its soothing and medicinal properties. The gel inside the leaves can be applied to minor burns, cuts, and other skin irritations, making it a valuable addition to any home. However, even the most low-maintenance plants need occasional repotting. Over time, the soil in the pot can become compacted and depleted of nutrients, which can hinder the plant's growth. Repotting is essential to refresh the soil and provide the plant with the necessary space to expand its roots. This guide will teach you how to repot your aloe vera plant like a pro. We'll cover everything from choosing the right pot and soil mix to the actual process of transferring your plant. With these tips, you'll be able to give your aloe vera the best possible care. How do you know if your aloe vera needs repotting? This is a crucial question for any plant parent. Aloe vera, like many other houseplants, can outgrow its home, and recognizing the signs early can ensure your plant continues to thrive. There are a few telltale signs that your aloe vera is ready for a new pot. One of the most obvious signs is if your plant looks too big for its pot. When the aloe vera starts to appear crowded, with leaves spilling over the edges, it's probably time for an upgrade. This overcrowding can restrict the plant's growth and limit its access to nutrients. Another clear sign is roots growing out of the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. When the roots start to escape their confines, it's a signal that they need more space to spread out and absorb water and nutrients effectively. You might also notice the soil drying out very quickly after watering. This happens because the roots have taken up most of the space in the pot, leaving little room for soil to retain moisture. As a result, the plant may not be getting enough water, which can lead to stress and poor health. When the roots have filled the pot, they can become pot-bound, meaning they are so crowded that they can't grow properly. This can stunt the plant's growth and make it more susceptible to diseases and pests. In some cases, you might see baby aloe vera plants, or pups, sprouting around the base of the parent plant. These pups are a sign that the plant is healthy and reproducing, but they also indicate that the parent plant needs more space to continue thriving. When you see these signs, it's time to give everyone some breathing room. Repotting your aloe vera into a larger pot will provide the space needed for the roots to grow and for the plant to access more nutrients and water. This will help ensure that your aloe vera remains healthy and continues to grow beautifully. Before you begin, gather all the necessary materials. This will make the repotting process smooth and enjoyable. Choose a new pot that is slightly larger than the current one. Cactus potting mix is ideal for aloe vera, as it provides excellent drainage. You will also need gardening gloves, a trowel, and a watering can. Once you have your materials, it's time to prepare the new pot. Add a layer of pebbles or gravel to the bottom of the pot. This improves drainage and prevents root rot. Fill the pot with cactus potting mix, leaving enough space for the aloe vera and its roots. Make sure the soil is loose and not too compacted. You want to create a welcoming environment for your aloe vera to thrive. Now your new pot is ready to house your growing aloe vera plant. In this section, we will guide you through the steps to safely remove your aloe vera plant from its pot without causing any damage to the plant or its roots. This process is crucial for the health and longevity of your aloe vera, ensuring it continues to thrive in its new environment. Gently loosen the soil around the edges of the old pot using a trowel or your fingers. This step is important as it helps to free the roots from the compacted soil, making it easier to remove the plant without causing any harm. Be patient and take your time to ensure the soil is adequately loosened. Carefully tilt the pot upside down, supporting the base of the plant with your hand. This technique allows gravity to assist in the removal process, reducing the risk of breaking the plant or damaging the roots. Make sure to hold the plant gently but firmly to prevent it from falling. Gently wiggle the pot until the aloe vera slides out. This gentle motion helps to further loosen the soil and roots, making it easier for the plant to come out. Avoid using excessive force as this can damage the plant. If the plant is stuck, do not pull on the leaves. Aloe vera leaves are delicate and can easily break if pulled. Instead, focus on loosening the soil and roots to free the plant. You may also try running a knife around the inner edge of the pot to loosen the soil. This can help to break up any remaining compacted soil and free the roots. Be careful not to damage the roots with the knife. Once the plant is out of the pot, gently remove any excess soil from the roots. This helps to prepare the plant for repotting and ensures that the roots are healthy and free from any old, compacted soil. Take your time to carefully clean the roots, being mindful not to damage them. This step is essential for the successful transplantation of your aloe vera plant. Now comes the exciting part: planting the aloe vera in its new home. Place the plant in the center of the new pot. Make sure the base of the plant sits level with the top of the soil. Fill the remaining space around the roots with cactus potting mix. Gently press down on the soil to secure the plant in place. Avoid burying the leaves, as this can lead to rot. Your aloe vera is now happily settled in its new home. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find that repotting is a straightforward task that can greatly benefit your plant. The key is to be gentle and patient, taking care to handle the roots delicately and provide a stable new environment. After repotting, your aloe vera needs a little TLC. Place the plant in a bright location, but out of direct sunlight for the first week. Direct sunlight can stress the plant while it's adjusting. Water thoroughly, allowing any excess water to drain out. Avoid fertilizing the plant for the first few weeks. The new soil provides enough nutrients for now. By following these simple steps, you'll help your aloe vera acclimate to its new home. Aloe vera plants are relatively drought tolerant, so they don't need frequent watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. This is important to prevent root rot, which can be fatal for aloe vera. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, fertilize your aloe vera once a month. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. In winter, reduce watering and stop fertilizing altogether. To encourage healthy growth, rotate your aloe vera plant every few weeks. This ensures that all sides of the plant receive adequate sunlight. You can also prune your aloe vera by removing any dead or damaged leaves. This not only keeps the plant looking its best, but also redirects energy to new growth. With proper care, your aloe vera will thrive and produce new pups that you can propagate. Repotting your aloe vera is a simple yet rewarding task that can significantly benefit your plant's health and growth. By following these steps, you can ensure your aloe vera thrives for years to come. Regular repotting, combined with proper watering and light conditions, will keep your plant healthy and vibrant. Remember, a well-cared-for aloe vera can be a beautiful and beneficial addition to your home. Remember to choose the right pot and soil, water carefully, and provide adequate sunlight. Happy repotting!